Hello, Jamieson-Folland explaining how we can use the foam roller to get some deep release in our muscle. It's actually not working so much on our muscle, it's working on the structure around our muscle, which is called fascia. And fascia is very, very strong. So there's two layers to the fascia, and what we're aiming to do is we're aiming to release one layer of the fascia, because with these two layers, one layer just simply surrounds and supports every structure in our body. The second layer actually has the ability to contract. And then it can happen from using our muscles habitually or a lot. We're doing a lot of training. It can be from old injury. We can actually, if we get a shock, our fascia will tense up. So this is particularly useful when it comes to releasing our muscles, or the fascia around our muscles, especially when we've been working out. So what we'll do is we'll look at the lower leg and the upper leg. So we'll look at the upper leg first. So the ideal way with this, let's look at the hamstrings, is to simply roll slowly up and down, all the way from where the muscle goes in one end, or the origin, all the way down to the insertion, or vice versa, all the way up to the top, and then all the way back to the bottom. Using your full body weight, it's very powerful to use your body weight. And then whilst I'm actually upright, whilst I'm supine as we call it, this way up, I'll do my gastrocs or my calves. So it's a good idea to start with our legs both, with our feet. So my right leg is externally rotated, and my left leg is internally rotated. So you imagine I'm going to start with them both facing, feet facing the same way, then do them whilst they're both my feet are facing upwards, and then this way. So that way we get all the fibres of the fascia surrounding the muscles, all those muscle groups. So rolling very slowly, the full length, and then coming back, really using our body weight all the way down, and then coming back up. So the real key here is to do it slowly. This gives our fascia a chance to relax and release, using the full body weight. So as you can see with my arms, if we just pan up to my arms, I'm actually taking my body weight rather than attempting to just press. So what I'll do now is flip over so you can see how we do the quads. Same thing, using my body weight to rest down on the foam roller. So pointing my feet in the same direction, it means I get the outer and inner fibres of these quadriceps, and then I come back to the middle really slowly. This allows the tissues chance to relax, time to relax, then slowly back down, the full length of the muscle. I'd actually recommend rolling up and down the full length of each of those areas 3 or 4 times. If there's any pain, obviously stop. It's the same with any of these exercises. And then the lower leg. So this time pointing the feet in the same direction, going the full length. And this is in particular good for the tibialis anterior muscle, which is that muscle down the outside front of the leg. So at the moment I'm doing my right tibialis anterior muscle, but I'm stabilising with my left leg, which also gives me the chance to do some fibres, the innermost fibres of my gastrocnemius at the same time with the opposite leg. Slowly up and down. So effectively I'm still using my body weight to do this. Slower the better. Bit of a workout in itself with the upper body. So I trust that helps. If you have any questions, then please do email me. Be happy to help on fee@jamieson-folland.com. Have a good one.